Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are working on the Corsa. As you guys can see, it's not running, but what we have done is we have replaced the clutch, pressure plate, and the Concentric slave cylinder. As you guys saw, the old clutch. The reason why I didn't capture it because my garage is a one-car garage, guys, and with Matt and I working inside here, there just wasn't enough space to really capture everything. And that's why I actually brought the car out so I can actually have more space, especially for the E90 engine build. If you haven't seen that before, a video will be coming out where I am going to strip down the block from the old block. I'm going to strip down components from the old block, so like the crank, the pistons. We're going to inspect and see exactly what's happening with the bottom end. We also replaced the control arms. We also replaced the front disc or rotors, for those of you in America. We call them brakes out or disc here in South Africa. The front brake pads. We also replaced the drop links. We replaced the outer CV joints with new boots and everything. We replaced one and I think two Welsh plugs at the back. There was one coolant pipe that sits on top of the starter, which is at the back of the block, which we also replaced. We replaced the transmission sump gasket. That is why we need to fill up with transmission fluid. What's to do? Let's get to work. Guys, as you can see, these are two different lengths of pipe. This was the one that came in. I fitted a brand new Concentric safe cylinder again, just to be on the safe side. And then this is the one that was on before. And if you guys remember, this one I probably did maybe about 1,000 kilometers. And is it really necessary for me to replace it? No. But I figured, I am doing so much already, so why not just go and replace and put a new one in. However, this pipe is too short. It literally just comes up to the brake fluid reservoir, and it just sits there. So I need to take this off, and I'm going to use the old one. But I'm just letting you guys know, if you do replace your master clutch cylinder, make sure that the length of the pipe is actually quite long. What I'm going to do is I'll put down at the bottom the length that it needs to be, so that you guys can actually be prepared when you do replace this. All right, so just to show you guys, I actually removed the wiper blades, the motor, and the actual what you call this, the cabin filter, that whole housing, because I didn't want to go underneath and remove the clutch pedal just to get to this, because it's such a tight space in there, and to get the brake pedal or the clutch pedal off is a mission. So this is actually a lot more easier. Again, this will just go in, this one will go in there, and then we can actually put everything back again. I haven't started this car, like I said, in almost 2 years. When I dropped the sump, I left it open for a couple of months. I just didn't have in South Africa where there's a word called lust, meaning the desire to want to work on it just because. So I'm hoping there isn't really any low compression or no compression, having to maybe break fluid in the cylinder walls, having to take the spark plugs out just to get it to create compression. I'm hoping that it is still compression. So yeah, let's give it a start in here. So the steering wheel is on, but the steering column is disconnected. So all I want to do is just start the car and just make sure that it starts and it runs. And you know what I did before I didn't even fill up. I didn't put in oil. Can you believe it? I need to put in oil quickly before I start the car up. So let's do that. There's a coolant leak, but it's not the leak. It's that coolant pipe at the back. So what I want to do now is I just want to start the car up just to make sure it can. And then tomorrow I'll have to put it on the actual stand so I can get underneath and see what's happening with that coolant pipe. If it popped out again, most likely, or if there's a crack. But yeah, we'll only be able to see tomorrow. Bit of a bummer, but such is life, eh? Yes, first try. When the engine quiets down, oil is starting to filter everywhere. Obviously, we'll see some smoke there because of the oil. Put on the lights. I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. Obviously, I can't let it idle too long because there's no water in the cooling system. So yeah, I honestly thought we might have issues. I honestly thought, yes, boy. I honestly thought that it's just going to have, we're gonna have to crank, and then it might be, hey, calm down. Mind you, back here. There we go. So tomorrow, I'm gonna put it on the ramps so I can see exactly what's happening with that coolant pipe at the back. Have that sorted out ASAP. And then, like I said, I think I adjusted the wiper arm mechanism a little bit too low. So I think I need to lift it up a little bit more, which will allow me to, when I mount this, to bring it a little bit more down. I think that's what I need to do there. And then, as mentioned, it's a case of bleeding the clutch and cleaning the clutch, making sure that it picks up, and then yeah, I think that's it, eh? But yeah, I'm super excited. The course is back up and running again. Just tape up, like I know the lambda sensor, why there seems to be a bit wonky. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your thoughts are, and anything you recommend I need to consider doing whilst I am here. Um, I put the question on the Opel forum or the Opel Corsa C forum with regards to wheels. So I've been collecting the Mini Cooper rims, the R56 style. So it is a 4 by 100 PCD. The only thing I need to do is I just need to increase the center bore. On the Opels, it's 50. The Corsa is 56.5 or 56.6, and then on the center bore on the Minis is 56.1. So I just need to increase it by 5 more so that it has a really nice snug fit onto the Corsa. So that's gonna be done soon, and then I'm gonna send them all in to be refurbished, spray, diamond cut. I'll decide on the style I want to do there. So yeah, but the car is gonna get it sorted very, very, very soon. Let me know what you think. As always, if you like this, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please consider clicking that subscribe button and keep the notification on that you won't miss any of my future uploads. And as always, guys, and most importantly, to you and your loved ones, please stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.